don't let fear or, you know, being not confident hold you back, because that's just not cute, and we're not doing that in 2021. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keela K. Happy 2021. If this is your first time on my channel, hey as well, I'm Keela K. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and welcome home, because I have so many great videos for you guys. Now I know they say new year new me, but seriously, new year new me. Okay, I have so many great content that I can't wait to show to you guys. So I love everyone so much, and go ahead and let's help my channel grow. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about how to be confident in 2021, how to be fearless. You can apply to this year, next year. We should have did it last year, but it's time now. Now, if we felt like, oh, we missed the bag last year because we was too scared, we was too tired, we was worried about what people want to say, sis. This year, we are not doing that, okay? We are coming for everything that they said that we couldn't have. We're coming for everything that we deserve, and that's just it on that.
I'm pants, what the what? What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
So my first tip, well, I have a few tips and tricks. Okay. So I have a few tips and tricks that I'm going to be giving to you guys that I felt like helped me throughout my life on how to be confident and fearless. And I am still working on it. No one's pregnant. No one's perfect. I hope that's not a sign for 2021, because no one's doing that.
I'm trying not to. Oh no. Don't say that. Don't say that.
Okay, so no one is perfect. So I'm going to give you guys the tips and tricks that I kind of use along the way to kind of break through the barrier of just being fearless. And I want you guys to watch me on my channel and just watch me grow of how I become even more fearless and just kind of live my truth. So the first thing before anything else, tip number one, remember that there's no one like you. There is no one like you. They can act like you. You ever heard like, okay, I can give you the same recipe, but it's not going to be the same sauce? It's not going to be the same sauces. So no matter what you do, you can be doing the same thing as your friend or the next person. It's still going to be different. You know what? Because everybody is a different individual, and everyone put their own twist on everything. Nobody in this world like you. We all have different fingerprints. You can even have a twin. You guys may have similarities, but no one is going to be exactly like you. Okay. No one's going to be exactly like you. So you have to keep that in mind. So that's one of the main tips on how to be confident. Know that there's no one like you. So if you're doing the same thing as the next person, you have the same passion as the next person, or you have something that you want to venture out and do, but you're so scared, there's no one like you. Just put your own twist on it, your own individuality on it, and just be fearless. Number two, you are your worst critique. I cannot stress this enough. Now, sometimes we're hard on ourselves. We see ourselves in the mirror every day, so we see all of our flaws. We may be like, oh my God, my lips are too big, my eyes are too big, my head is too big, you know, this and that. Listen, you are your worst critic. A lot of times what we think about ourselves, when the next person look at us, they don't see that, okay? You might think your head is so big, but the other person is thinking, oh my God, I wish I had her size head, or her head is the perfect size. Oh, you might think your lips is big, but people are out here getting lip fillers to have your lips. You know what I'm saying? So you have to just understand that you are your worst critic. And a lot of the times, if you're on the street or you're outside and you see different people, are you criticizing every person? Like, oh my God, look at that person walking, their eyebrows is messy. Oh my God, look at that person walking, their shoes is ugly. Oh my God. No, 9 times out of 10, no one cares. No one is looking. Now, if you have like a hater or something like that, you know, they might be saying shady stuff, and that's another different video for another time. But 9 times out of 10, people are not worrying about like what you're doing, what you're wearing, how you see yourself. So just keep that in mind every time that you're going after what you're going after, that no one is watching, no one is piecing you apart like you think they are. Okay, now this is tip number 3. I know this might sound really weird to a lot of people, but I'm sure everyone does it. It's talk to yourself. Sometimes you have to like say like, bitch, like, get up, what are you doing? Like, we don't care what nobody say. We're about to do this. Get up out the bed, look in the mirror and say, listen, you not no weak ass bitch. You're not scary. You're not gonna care about what people say, because you know what? People are saying whatever they want about you. Think people are saying whatever they want to say about you, but that person is getting their business done. They're doing what they have to do to excel, while you're sitting here worried like, oh my god, what is this person thinking? When that person don't give a damn about you, they're doing what they're having to do. And I saw something that says like, you can have more talent than the other person, but simply because that person is fearless, they'll get further than you. You know what I'm saying? Because you're sitting here worried about, oh my god, was that person thinking? I don't want them to see me do this because this and that. When that person is getting their business done. So you have to talk to yourself like, listen, girl, get up, do what you want to do, make that YouTube video, go to school to do this, create that, like whatever it is that you want to do, go after it, because this is your year and you could have been further ahead than just starting now. So don't let fear or, you know, being not confident hold you back, because that's just not cute, and we're not doing that in 2021.
I want to tell y'all to please do not give up on yourself no matter what. This is for everybody in this room. I want to tell you to please make it your business to follow your dreams, because one day you will wake up and look around and your dreams will be gone, and then you will be mad at somebody, but be mad at your goddamn self.
Okay, now moving on to tip number 4. I hope that's the tip that I'm on. I have my little notes here for you guys. Okay, so tip number 4 or 5 is think positive. Whatever you do, just think positive. Every time you feel like, okay, I want to think negative about something, I want to go ahead, let's say I want to start my YouTube video, but my hair is not done. You can say, you know what, I'm gonna start a YouTube video because I have hair. There's people out there that don't even have hair and wish that if they had hair that they would just, you know, make a YouTube video. There's people out there that wish they have what you have. So use what you have to start. And okay, you ever heard that no one is broke, they just need money? Well, you have to start where you're at to get to the point where you have money to be able to change the things that you don't like. Okay, so just use what you have to get where you want to go until you get where you want to go. Then you that deal, period. So those are my 5 tips of how to be confident this year. I hope this video helped you. If you have more ideas or anything else that you need advice about, you know, any type of girl talk, leave them in the comments below. Let me know also in the comments below, what are you going to be working on this year, how you plan to be fearless, or just leave a comment saying, hey girl, what's up, I'm joining the gang, and that's on, period. Gang gang. So just go ahead and let me know in the comments. Also smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and head over to my Instagram, send me a DM like, girl, I saw your video, it really helped me, or girl, that video was whack. Just let me know so I can do better, because when you know better, you do better, right? Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name is Keela K. Go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.